What's good, YouTube? See my baby back there, you hear me? But today we're about to do a little upgrade. A little upgrade on the Charger. About to change these headlights out, man. These what I had in my RT. These what I want in there for real. So, but for the RT, I had crashed and it had hit this side and smushed the whole light. And then so that's why I only got this one. So today I bought another one. And I guess his right side, his passenger side light, his ring didn't work. So he just about to get rid of them. He got some new ones. And I asked him about his driver's side light. He said the ring work on the driver's side light. So I'm like, bet, let me get them. So we set that up. So now we on just trying to clean them and get them clear. At least a little bit better like these ones, because these ones is butter. You know, my boy King. We're about to, I don't know, this is all I got right now, but it just ran out of that shit, so I don't know what I'm about to do. We're just trying shit for, see what works. Alright, we just wiped them down. I'm about to go grab a little rag real quick and then wipe it off and see how they looking. Alright, just wipe them down. They actually looking decent for real. You can just tell though when they next to these ones, because they bitches is ice. Look at them bitches though. Ain't too, or really, you can't tell on camera no more. Bet it's up. Hold on, I'm about to take this bumper off and get started. We gone. I'm unhooking the bumper right now. Get over here. Hey! King! Oh shit. Dogs done running loud. Oh shit. I just seen a big oh shit. King, come here. Come here. Go.
Come on.
Go.
Let's go.
My nigga King ain't scared though. You hear me? He on that. Go. Put your ass on, nigga. This little nigga bad as hell. These niggas get out like every day. Oh shit. I ain't even about to chase them niggas on this. Anyway, taking out this bumper real quick. I got a zip tie holding this, so I'm probably about to snip this real quick. I don't know where use these right here. Snip these. Then I'm a should come off now. Oh, there we go. Took that off. Now it's what, 4 bolts holding right there, and then it's 2 under there on each side. They pretty self-explanatory though. They on the lights. Anyway though, them is 8 millimeters, and then yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna get back on the cam. That orange, yeah. But yeah. Get this off now. Time for the install. Alright, they all connected now. We just gotta connect the LED strip. That's these 2 black and white wires right here. Same ones as all the Charger lights. But the rest of it worked. Blinkers. So About to do that. LEDs real quick, figure out which ones. That's it. Somewhere on this harness, one of these. Or no, one of these. But about to see. 2 seconds. Alright, so I found the wire. I hooked this red one up to it. And then basically just need to hit the ground real quick and then it should cut on. Alright, one in so far. Get started on this second side real quick. Turn the the blinkers on real quick. Or hazards.
My phone charging. I'll be playing, boy.
You can turn the big headlights off. You hear me? The headlights. Yeah, now.
That shit gonna be at 1,000 soon.
My watch time starting to go up. I'm about to freaking pissed. That's what I've been dropping so many videos. Let me see, I think it's this black one. Why they don't look as bright?
You think they dim?
Yeah. This one. This supposed to be the newer one.
Break in or something.
This is the one from off my car. Turn the big light on. And then the blinkers, hazards. Alright. I think that's it. Alright, they all swapped out now. You can see the difference of them though, but they look decent. Shorter. Yeah, I'm about to turn the lights on for y'all real quick. I had to jump it because the battery had died. I had him doing the light, holding the lights for me and shit. But hold on. We're about to see how this look together. We're gonna go just the strips real quick. The strips when I turn just the DRLs on, it turned that on. And then it should turn these LED strips on real quick. Let's see. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that look good. That look real good. That look good. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me close the hood for y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. what the hazards and shit look like too. Alright. Turn the hazards on for y'all. Sheesh. Oh yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there. Then turn normal lights on. And I'll leave the hazards on. They bright too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good upgrade right there, boy. Great upgrade. Gotta fix this exhaust. Y'all can hear it. I know y'all can hear that bitch right there. But yeah, we're looking good. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show y'all though. So I'll show y'all this too. We today for the Impala, we cleaned the pistons and shit off. So now them is ready. Cleaned them out, whatever. It's the old engine and trans we pulled out. Follow me on TikTok, y'all. I posted that. And then we got some LS3 heads, some 823 heads. And they're pretty clean too. If y'all don't know, the difference between these heads is they rec port. The other ones is at like a pointed cathedral port, basically. So these is better. These is the best heads to get for real. So yeah, we got that for them. We gotta take this. We got a stage 2 cam for the 6.0 too. I'll probably show y'all that different time, but yeah, might end the video right here. I don't know. All right, the lights, them bitches doing good so far. They bright as hell. We just came back from getting some, oh shit. Came back from getting some fresh fish, cracked chicken. This shit crack for real. I think I showed y'all this shit in my one of my videos before. This is catfish, and I got 2 tenders. And they Kool-Aid bust, nigga. What?
My Kool-Aid.
Oh yeah, your shit full. You can see them bitches.
Cause you know I drink mine some fuck down.
I've been drinking the fuck out of mine. Oh, we about to smack this shit. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all me putting these headlights and shit on real quick. So we out there, bitch. Y'all can't tell me this bitch ain't looking pissy.